So hello. So this is my first time to activate my Hover Air X1. I don't know if this is really a activation or something like that. Kasi this will be my first time to connect the aircraft, Hover Air X1 aircraft, to the application. Actually, I already downloaded the application. So I already charged the battery. So because for DJI products, for example, if you have DJI products, yung una mong gagawin ay you have to activate the unit. You have to connect the unit, the aircraft, to the application. So this time, Hover Air X1 naman yung aircraft ko, and then I will try to connect the aircraft to the application, or I will try to explore the settings of the aircraft using the application. Oh, mag-screen record ako. I will do screen recording, but maybe a bit later. Screen record yan. What I am going to do is to first insert the battery to the aircraft. Actually, I have already read the instruction manuals. So yeah, let's go ahead. I will go ahead and try to activate the aircraft. Yun. So from the user manual, you have to press the power button like 7 seconds or 2 seconds para ma-turn on, ma-power on. Ito nga pala yung yung power button, and this is the flight mode button. So according to the manual, if you want to explore or to change the flight mode, you have to press this the flight mode button. So dito muna tayo sa power button. Let's see. So green light.
Current mode, Hover.
Oh.
Please download Hover X1 app. Connect and activate the device on the app.
On the app. Okay. Actually, meron ako dito Hover Air aircraft. So don't worry. Screen record muna to document. Start recording. Okay, talagang nire-require ni Hover Air na to connect the aircraft to the application . So eto, Hover Air. I don't know. So paano ba i-connect to? Hover. Got it. Tap to activate or connect. Okay. Allow access to location. Allow access to nearby device. Bluetooth. Let's turn on the Bluetooth. Okay. Done. Okay, allow location. Let's see. Activate. On. Naka-on na. Okay. Allow access to the nearby device. Okay. Tap. Connect. There you go. Connect. Alright. Activate. Yun, tama. Yun nga, you really have to activate the aircraft by connecting the aircraft to the application. Okay, activate. Activation succeeded. Okay, now what? Close. Before starting your flight, pick up hover and follow me. Please complete 7 tasks. Are you ready? Estimated time remaining 2 minutes. Okay, ready. So, yun, I still have to complete some tasks, 7 tasks. Ready? Please hold in your palm horizontally and align to your face. Siguro yung para yung face recognition. Okay, face recognition. Okay, align. Okay, hold on. Okay, facial recognition. Sana hindi maka-apekto. Hopefully my camera can't be able to affect the facial recognition. Align. Please use the other hand to press the power button, not long press. Okay.
The device will hover after completing the flight path. Please hold out your hand and place it 1 foot below the device, and wait for the device to land on your palm. Continue. Hover.
Oh my God!
Then what? The red light activates. Filming is in progress. Okay, next. Try moving your position and the hover will always follow you. Let's try. Yeah, it moves sideward. Good. All right. Okay, it follows me. Okay, it moves. Kung saan ako pumunta, umiikot din yung aircraft. Okay, next. After shooting, please place your palm directly under the hover and wait for the hover to land automatically. Okay. Wow.
Cool!
Nice.
Cool! Cool! It's cool!
Hover can land directly in your palm. Understood. Wow.
Wow!
Great.
Cool!
It's cool. Okay. Available update. Okay, let's update. Do I need to put down the aircraft already? Alright. Pwede na. Good. It's cool. Very nice. Connect to device. Connect. Grabe. Amazing piece of technology talaga. Iba na yung technology talaga ngayon. Grabe. Okay. I'm updating the application. Okay. 100%. Updating. Flashing blue status light. Okay, flashing, so it means still updating. Pag nag-turn into green, you know, the lights here, the light here, it's like breathing pattern. It's like in a breathing pattern. When it's turned green, meaning it's already updated, it's completed. Solid green. The update will be completed in 10 minutes. Please stay on the current page during updating. Okay, so 10 minutes. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, hover. gumagalaw siya eh. Sumusunod siya sa akin eh. Although the aircraft just stay in its axis, in its place. Pero every time I move, the aircraft move also. It turns, but it just stay in its place, in its axis. It's just it just turn left, right. Every time I turn left, the aircraft will turn also to where I am. Every time I move, the aircraft also move, but it just stay in its place, in its axis. It doesn't move forward, backward, sideways. It just move, just turn, left, right. Amazing. Oh, green na agad. Ang bilis. It's fast. Hover is restarting. If it has not turned on after 1 minute, please press and hold power button to turn it on. Wow. Amazing tong gadget na to. This is amazing. Amazing.
Current mode, hover.
Okay. Hover is restarting network and please try again later. Oh? Done. Okay, tapos na. Done. It's the latest version 7.5.2. Wow, so am I done?
A few moments later.